Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare all-in-one sevai. Sevai is a recipe I learned when I was in Coimbatore. So for that today we are going to take 3 eggs and whisk the egg very well until it's bubbly and soft, and then add some chili flakes to it. You can add chili flakes or chili powder, and then add little bit of salt, and then you have to whisk it once again until it is soft and fluffy. With this egg we have to scramble the egg and then keep it aside while we make the rest of the ingredients. So I learned this sevai when I was in Coimbatore, and Coimbatore is a beautiful place to settle down during after retirement. It's a very beautiful place, and it's in the Western Ghats, and it is surrounded by the hills, Nilgiri Hills. The Ooty is nearby, so you can go to Mettupalayam, and from there you can get the toy train to go to, which is famous in films, and with that you can go to Ooty. So it's a beautiful place. And in Coimbatore has got many food stalls. You go out in the evening and at night, you don't have to prepare anything. You get very nice hygienic food from small food stalls set up in homes in every street of Coimbatore. So in that way you get mutta sevai. Mutta sevai is this made with egg. So sevai is one kind of vermicelli, homemade vermicelli. So now you have to take 2 onions, and you have to cut it and chop it very well. Chop it finely. Finely chop the 2 onions. You go to the food stalls in Coimbatore. You can go at night 12 o'clock also, and you can get nice tasty idlis, sevais, dosas. So the variety goes as mutta sevai, mutta dosai, coconut sevai, then takali dosa, takali sevai, then variety of idlis. So you get a variety of food there. So there used to be this ulli sevai, where there will be a lot of onion will be put in it. There used to be tomato sevai, when tomato will be put a lot in it, and egg sevai, when eggs will be put a lot, and coconut sevai, where grated coconuts will be added a lot. So today I am going to prepare the sevai in which all the ingredients are there except for tomatoes. I am going to add onion, coconut, eggs, and I am going to prepare all-in-one sevai. So while the ingredients are being cut, I'll boil the water for the vermicelli. So vermicellis are ready-made. So if it's a homemade sevai, then it is purely made of rice flour. But since this is, I've added a little oil and salt to this, and I'm adding the ready-made vermicelli which we use for preparing kheer. So since this is ready-made, this might contain other ingredients mixed with it. Maybe it's maybe it is all-purpose flour, or ragi, or tapioca flour, or something like that. So it's not purely the rice sevai, but you can make sevai at home, which is a bit of a tedious process. So I prefer making the fast sevai using the vermicelli. So now as the sevai is as the vermicelli is getting cooked, it happens very soon. I'll prepare some other ingredients. So I am now cutting and chopping the ginger, and then crushing it with the pestle so that the juice comes out properly and the taste is spreads inside the sevai. And then I'll chop 2 or 3 chilies, and then I'll add 1 curry leaf. You can add some coriander leaf also. So now by this time the the vermicelli has cooked, it has become soft. Don't overcook it or it will get mashed. We don't want that. So now I'll strain it into a colander. And after straining it, see, I had added a salt, so it has already got salt in it, and because oil was there, the vermicelli will be separated. Now I have added some cold water also in the vermicelli. Now I've added some oil and some mustard seeds and some chana dal and dry chili, and I'll saute it. Then I have added ginger. Then saute it again. So saute it for a while. So I've used the same wok in which I had scrambled the egg. So now I've added the green chili also and the curry leaf. Now after a little while now I have added the onion also and saute it for a while. Don't just till that raw smell is gone. You have to saute the onion. So you can make this in a variety of ways. This is a fast dish. See, today I have got some guests also, so I have prepared in a large quantity. So I have taken a big wok. So you can make it in a small quantity also, and it's a very quick recipe. And you can add any ingredients. See, once when I gave this, sent this sevai home to my friend's house, she chopped some sausages and added to this, fried and added sausages to this. So that gave it a different taste. So you can, creativity can go to any level while preparing sevai. So now I've added the sevai, and so they are all separated, and now since there is a lot of sevai in it, I am using 2 spoons, big spoons, to mix all the ingredients. And now I'll add the scrambled egg. You can add the scrambled egg before itself. After the onion, you can add scrambled egg. You can add tomatoes also. Today I haven't added tomatoes because I did not have tomatoes at home. That's why, otherwise I would have added some tomato. That would have given some color also to it. Now I'll add grated coconut. See, I grate coconut by cutting the coconut and putting it in a mixer. So that's why you saw that I'm putting it from the mixer. So now, after mixing all the ingredients, the tasty sevai is all-in-one sevai is ready. Thank you.